Welcome to another episode of Good Cooking, and today we're making a beautiful traditional dish, Fettuccine Alfredo. Listen, you know us here at Good Cooking, we treat you well. We show you these beautiful recipes, and we've been getting a lot of subscribers and a lot of followers, and it's all thanks to you. And we need you to keep doing it, spreading the word. So we need you to like, share, subscribe. By the way, are you a fan of Fettuccine Alfredo?
I mean, not really.
No, not really. I mean, how many times have you really had it? Because you're a health.
Like, not really.
Never?
No.
Do you think you've ever had it?
I have had it.
Okay.
Like, you go to like a friend's house and they throw it together and it's like, okay, well, I'll be in the bathroom later, but what am I gonna do, not eat?
Great. I'm glad we're filming this episode. Hopefully you don't end up there. All right, Ben, so as you see here, we got some butter. With the butter, I take it out of the fridge.
Butter! Oh, thank you.
Oh, scared the out of me. What the hell was that?
How did you forget that?
All right, let me do it for him. All right, Ben, first things first, your favorite ingredient.
Butter!
What I like to do is I take it out of the fridge probably about a half hour prior, and I like to get it a little bit soft because it's gonna melt better and create that sauce. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna take this butter, Benny boy, and this nice bowl here, we're gonna lay it like so. Just spread it around, because once that pasta goes in there with the pasta water, ooh, they're gonna marry and start jingling, baby. All right, then we got our Parmesan. This was $743 today. The whole dish is gonna cost you $743 because you got that much cheese. Anyway, I'm going to grate it with a little microplane. And the reason why I'm gonna do that is because I like it very fine. Once you throw it into the pasta and you start adding the pasta water and you have all of that coming together, this melts really nice when it's grated very fine.
Now, I bet you love this recipe.
I actually hate it. I don't even like fettuccine Alfredo, to be honest with you.
Seriously?
Never do I order it.
What?
Never. I don't like it. It's just never been my thing. I always thought it was a little trashy, to be quite honest with you, because it's always like the thing that like Olive Garden shows on their commercials. And then someone adds like a 42-pound chicken cutlet into it, and they're like, chicken fettuccine Alfredo, and I hate it. However, recently, I went to a wonderful restaurant here in Los Angeles called Musso Frank. Musso Frank's been there for 100 years. No, we got it, wait. Chunk. Winner. Those are the benefits of cooking. Little treats along the way. Now, according to Musso and Frank lore, this is the first fettuccine Alfredo made in America. Now listen, that sounds like a Hollywood tale to me, because I gotta tell you, there's somebody that came over on the boat in New York who definitely did this a long time ago. But hey, we'll take their word for it. It is delicious.
I just can't believe you want to do this even though you don't really like it.
So that's the thing. I do love it when it's made like this. People add heavy cream to this when they make it, or they buy a jarred sauce, and I gotta tell you, it's just not, it's too heavy, it's disgusting, it tastes artificial. But when you do it this way and you make it with just butter, Parmesan, and pasta water, and a nice fettuccine, whoo, can't miss. That's for you.
Oh, thanks.
Gotta get a little one. How great is that?
The best around.
So not only did I just recently find out history of who made Fettuccine Alfredo, when I looked at his name, I could not believe my eyes. His name, and I have to stop for a minute, is Alfredo Di Lelio.
No kidding.
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Okay. I stared at it today on Wikipedia for about 45 minutes because my last name is L-E-L-I. His is L-E-L-I-O.
That was 100% your last name at
So-
some point.
Anybody in the Lelio family, you dropped the O on me. And I really want back in. I should be on a yacht in the Mediterranean right now, just floating off of the Amalfi Coast. And instead, here I am, probably a direct descendant of this fine gentleman, Alfredo.
Your birthright got Fredoed by the original Fredo.
I don't like it one bit.
No, it's pretty disrespectful.
It's been turning my stomach since I read it.
Maybe that's subconsciously why you don't love the recipe.
I don't know, I'm bitter.
Yeah.
Do I feel like I lost a lottery ticket? I sure do. I sure do, Ben. I missed it by an O.
Yeah.
Can you believe it? I missed it by an O.
That's gonna be the name of your first book.
Yeah, that's my cookbook. Missed it by an O. So our pasta is ready to go. I did a little al dente. And now, Ben, are you ready for the magic?
Can't wait.
So now the pasta water that's going in there with that is already gonna start to emulsify this butter here. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna start mixing it a little bit. See all that butter? It's already mixed in there. Now what I'm gonna do, take a little ladle, okay? Pasta water, right in there. Now, keep your pasta water, because once you start adding the cheese, the sauce may start to thicken up a little bit. All you gotta do is add a little bit more pasta water, loosen it up, and you're off and running. Oh my God, the butter and the pasta coming together. Look at my wife over there. She's falling in love again. That's what she likes when I'm in the kitchen, doing my thing. So now, we got our cheese, Ben. You ready? I'm gonna add a little at a time. A little at a time. See how smooth and silky this is gonna be? Oh yeah, Ben, oh yeah.
I love how that's a little.
Just a little cheese.
Shut your mouth. Look at this. It's gonna incorporate. Oh my God. You know what I think we should do?
A little more?
Hell yeah, we should. Let's give a little snow. The mountains need a little snow. Now, your cheese should give you the salt you want. If you need a little salt, do a pinch of salt. What are you gonna do? It's no big deal. I don't think you're gonna need it though. Look how beautiful that is. And that's fettuccine Alfredo. You know, the great part about this fettuccine Alfredo is we didn't take the shortcuts and go and buy a jar. We used good ingredients, the right way, the traditional way. A little butter, a little Parmesan, a little pasta water. They dance together and create magic. If you want this recipe, as always, it's in the description below. And from my house to yours, bon appetit. All right, Ben, first things first, your favorite ingredient, the one and only, butter.
Butter! Butter!
The mic is exploding.